Court orders attachment of properties and vehicles of District Magistrate SP in contempt of court filed by Manikarnika Seva Ashram trustees and devotees of Swami Nithyananda. 5th of April 2013, Varanasi. Court orders attachment of properties and vehicles of District Magistrate SP in contempt of court filed by Manikarnika Seva Ashram trustees and devotees of Swami Nithyananda. In a significant development, the Court of the Additional Civil Judge of the 2nd Senior Division ordered the attachment of the properties and vehicles of the District Magistrate, DM, and Senior Superintendent of Police, SSP, of Varanasi in a case of contempt of court filed against them by Manikarnika Seva Ashram trustees who are devotees of Sri Nithyananda Swami and have been doing various spiritual and social service activities with the support of the ashram. The trust property has been in the possession of the trustees of Manikarnika Seva Ashram since 1945, and the trust has been conducting various social service activities in the same. In April 2010, the district and police officials took illegal possession of the property and put the board of the local police station on the same. In the opposition of the locals, the lock was removed on the 4th of November 2011. However, on the 16th of November 2011, the local police again locked the property. The Manikarnika Seva Ashram trustees filed a case against this illegal action. The Upper District Magistrate passed an order in the case giving back the possession of the property to the trust and restraining any government or political officials from interfering with the property. It also ordered the removal of the lock on the property. On the basis of this order, the trust appealed to the District Magistrate to open the lock, but to no avail. In response, the trust had to file a contempt of court against the government and police officials who did not respond to the appeal either. So the court ordered attachment of the properties and vehicles of the District Magistrate, DM, Senior Superintendent of Police, SSP, and other authorities. The news is published in leading dailies, Varanasi Jagran, and other dailies. U.S. Court grants motion for attorney fees to be paid by Vinay Bharadwaj to the Nithyananda Foundation in case dismissed against him. Los Angeles, California, on the April 4th, 2013, the Superior Court of the State of California, which had earlier in November 2012 dismissed the case filed by Vinay Bharadwaj on Swami Nithyananda and others, including allegations of unnatural sex, same allegation made in the case against Sri Nithyananda Swami in India, granted the motion for Vinay Bharadwaj to pay the attorney fees as well to Swami Nithyananda and others. In a short hearing for a motion for attorney's fees brought by defendants in the case of Vinay K. Bharadwaj versus Nithyananda Foundation et al., case number CIV RS 1013793, Honorable Judge Keith Davis granted the defendant's motion in its entirety and described the motion as well taken. Judge Davis further commented that the nearly $400,000 in requested fees was reasonable and appropriate, given the prolonged litigation which consisted of numerous motions, filings, hearings, and rulings. The court had earlier in November 2012 dismissed Bharadwaj's baseless complaint with prejudice and with terminating sanctions against Bharadwaj, including, importantly, the non-cooperation of Vinay Bharadwaj with the judicial process. It is to be noted that this is the same Vinay Bharadwaj who was convicted and sentenced to 4.75 years for 4 counts of child molestation of minor in Seattle, Washington.